Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Anytype, a powerful all-in-one workspace. Let's get started. First, download and install Anytype from their official website. Once installed, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. When you first open Anytype, you'll see the dashboard, which acts as the central hub for your workspace. From here, you can create different types of objects like notes, tasks, or databases. To create a new note or object, click the plus icon and choose the type you need. You can easily customize your objects with tags, links, and other properties. Anytype also offers great features like offline mode, collaboration tools, and the ability to organize your content using smart views. And that's it. You've learned how to use Anytype for a more productive workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.